In this comprehensive guide, you will learn the top 3 ways for Android contacts backup and restore. Part 1. Android Contact Backup and Restore with Coolmuster Android Backup Manager. The best solution for Android Contact Backup and Restore is to use Coolmuster Android Backup Manager. 1.1 How to Backup Android Phone Contacts. Step 1. Launch Coolmuster Android Backup Manager on your computer, then connect your Android phone to the computer via a USB cable. Follow the on-screen instructions to get your Android detected by the program. Once done, you will see an interface as below. Step 2. Click Backup and select the contacts. You can click Browser to customize the location to store the backup contacts on your PC. After selection, click the Backup button to save contacts the computer. 1.2 How to restore Android contacts. Step 1. After your Android device is detected by the program, click the Restore option. This time, Step 2. Select the contact backups from the backup list, and then click the Restore button. Your contacts will be restored to your Android phone in seconds. Part 2. Android Contacts Backup and Restore via Google account. You can also use your Google account to back up and restore contacts on your Android phone. To use this method, you need to enable the Wi-Fi connection on your phone. 2.1. Backup Android phone contacts to Google account. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android. Step 2. Select Accounts and select your Google account. Step 3. Turn on the syncing of contacts. 2.2. Restore contacts from Google account. You can make good use of the Undo Changes feature in Google Contacts to restore the contacts back to the state you prefer. Step 1. Visit contacts.google.com on your PC and log into it with your Google account. Step 2. Click the setting icon at the top right corner and click Undo Changes. Step 3. You can restore your contacts back to the state in the past 30 days by selecting the time. Click Custom and you are able to select a more precise time. Part 3. How to back up and restore Android phone contacts using SIM card or SD card. If you are planning to switch to a new Android phone, SIM card is a good option to back up and restore contacts. Step 1. Open the Contacts app on your Android phone. Step 2. Tap the menu button and select Settings, Manage Contacts, Import or Export. Step 3. Select Export to SIM card. And to restore Android contacts from your SIM card, you can follow the same first 2 steps above and then select Import from SMS card.